Hi everyone, this is the announcement movie for week number 8. So we're officially, at the end of this week, we'll be officially halfway done. So I have the syllabus up with the calendar, and so I want to show that today I'm recording this on March 7th. So what's due tonight is all of the Excel Chapter 2 assignments and the Excel Let Me Tries for Chapter 3. And then if you notice, the next week we go on to spring break. So your Chapter 3 material and your Access Chapter 1 Let Me Tries are not due until the Monday after spring break, the 21st. And so then looking ahead for week 9, we're going to finish up Excel, begin Access, and start the Excel test. So this week, and into spring break if you want, or if it was me, I'd get it done so I can have spring break off, is the Chapter 3 assignment. So let's take a look at what's due today and then what's due next Monday. No, in two Mondays. So right now, due today is the Excel Chapter 2 Pause and Practice, Guided, Independent, and if you choose the extra credit. Remember that extra credit might come across as a 0 out of 2, but I correct those, so it would be 0 out of 0. So if you don't do the extra credit, initially it'll look like it hurts your grade. I fixed that. Don't worry about it. Also, the pause and practice, if I don't get it graded before tonight's due date and time, you're going to get a 0 passed. As soon as I grade it, the new grade will pass. So don't worry about that. So then looking what you want to work on this week is Excel Chapter 3. And I think you're going to find this chapter to be easier. Well, it's definitely easier than 2, but it's about charts, pie charts and column charts, and how do you decide which ones, how do you decide what data to use, how do you format it, right? All of that's in this Chapter 3, and so the Let Me Try for this Chapter 3 is due tonight, but the assignments themselves are not due until the 21st, the Monday after we return from spring break, which also we're moving into Access, so your Let Me Tries for Access 1 is going to be due. So I had a couple students that asked me about movies and are there any help movies, and I just really want to show you these are all out there, guys. I certainly don't mind doing specific movies to help with your issues, but for the general work, if you go into the chapter and you go into materials, and then there's always this help videos folder, and then there's 2 subfolders, one for the pause and practice. It walks you through all of the steps for all of the projects, and then the guided, which walks you through the guided assignment. And it could be 1 movie, it could be 2, it could be whatever. Depends on how intense the guided project is. So like for Chapter 2, there's 4 movies, right? And so if you're stuck on a step, you go to that movie and watch it. That's kind of all. I think this is kind of an easier week, because you have the 2 weeks really to do Chapter 3. So please reach out to me if you have any questions or any problems. All right, good luck.